Hi there, Wally Wells with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center here. I'm here today to show you this beautiful 2017 Sea Ray 460 Sundancer. And this boat is a one-owner freshwater boat, stored in a covered slip, low hours, all of the preventative maintenance performed by MarineMax. With that in mind, let's take a look at the features. Late model Sundancers like this 460 are of the enclosed cockpit design, which has several advantages. To begin, you pilot the boat from inside the main cabin, allowing you to take in a panoramic view while underway and enjoy the comfort of air conditioning or heat depending on the weather conditions. If it's a mild day, you can really open up the interior by using the skylight and the sliding doors in the galley to allow in plenty of sunlight and fresh air. Another advantage to this style is the elimination of practically all of the canvas. There's no more handling of large, dirty canvas cockpit cover, and you don't have to deal with installing, taking down, and storing a canvas enclosure. This makes boat ownership much more user-friendly and enjoyable. One of the most popular factory options is the hydraulic swim platform with the steps that deploy when the platform is being lowered. If you're boating in an area where beach access is limited, this becomes your own private beach area, and at night you can create a swimming pool effect using the underwater transom lights. The swim platform may also be used to accommodate a jet ski or a tender. Also at the transom is the gourmet station featuring the Kenyon electric grill with an adjacent sink. The electric grill eliminates the need for storing fuels such as charcoal or propane. There's a hot and cold transom shower just inside the boarding gate, and the cockpit area has a large L-shaped sofa that with a touch of a button slides out to create more space in the cockpit area. With a push of another button, the large overhead retractable awning can be extended to provide shade for the entire cockpit area and keep sun off the main salon sliding doors. The bow area is a very comfortable space featuring two large cushions equipped with adjustable backrest and knee risers, stereo speakers, and drink holders. This boat is equipped with the optional bow shade for those who prefer to stay out of the sun. Another great advantage to this enclosed cockpit design is the fact that the galley is aft and up, conveniently situated between the main salon and the cockpit. The galley is equipped with electric stove, microwave, side-by-side refrigerator freezer, plus the optional wine cooler, everything needed to prepare meals and snacks. The large surface area above the refrigerators is the perfect spot to set out a buffet, giving everyone easy access to food and drink. The main salon has a large L-shaped sofa with plenty of legroom, and there's an opposing settee on the starboard side that conceals the main electrical control panel. The sound system controls are conveniently located in this area or could be accessed at the helm display, and there's a large flat screen TV that can be viewed from the main salon sofa or the cockpit area. The 460 Sundancer is equipped with twin Cummins 528 horsepower diesel engines with V-drives. There's also a bow thruster and a stern thruster, and all of these can be controlled easily by using the joystick controller. This allows you to move the boat in any direction and parallel park at the fuel dock. The helm is equipped with twin Raymarine flat screen displays for radar, chart plotter, autopilot, backup camera, audio system, sonar, and a variety of other display options. The dash is equipped with the Mercury Vessel View display, or engine data can be viewed from the Raymarine displays. Also at your fingertips is the windlass control for the stainless steel plow anchor at the bow, trim tabs, optional fuel transfer switch, spotlight, windshield wipers, throttle, and joystick controls. There is a double helm seat with flipped up bolsters and a slide-out platform to add elevation for those of us who are vertically challenged. Visibility is also enhanced by the optional helm window, making it much easier to maneuver into the slip or parallel park at the fuel dock. Down below, the 460 is equipped with two staterooms and two heads. The master is a beam-to-beam stateroom with large windows that really brighten up this room, which features a walk-around centerline forward-facing bed, accent lighting, reading lights, numerous storage lockers, a large hanging locker with automatic lighting, a flat screen TV, and a washer and dryer combo. The space and headroom make you feel like you're on a much larger yacht. The master head features a separate shower stall, vacuum flush toilet, and vanity with vessel style sink. The VIP stateroom is equipped with a centerline island berth with easy access from each side of the bed. The bed can be converted into 2 single berths by sliding each of them to the side. This room is also equipped with an overhead hatch that provides plenty of sunlight, storage lockers, hanging lockers with automatic lighting, and a flat screen TV. The guest head features a separate shower stall, a vacuum flush toilet, and a vanity with vessel-style sink. Well, that wraps up this video for the 2017 Sea Ray 460 Sundancer. And once again, this is a beautiful freshwater boat, stored in a covered slip, low hours, well-optioned boat, well-maintained. All the preventative maintenance done by MarineMax. If you're interested in this boat, please call the number on the screen. Once again, my name is Wally Wells, and for MarineMax, thanks for watching.